In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix. We couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint. So first go here and type in services and then search for Windows biometric. So it should be this one, Windows biometric service. Click on it, set it to automatic, click apply and then OK. Click on start and then click apply and then click OK. Now if it's already started, you might see a button that says restart over here. Click on restart to restart the service. Then you want to go and type in cmd, run as administrator. Then type the following command, dism /online /cleanup image restore health, and then press enter. Then type sfc /scan now. Once it's done, you can close this down. Now you can always check if there's updates on your Windows by typing Windows update. Now making sure that you're always up to date is good, because you can always fix small bugs and errors when it comes to these softwares. So always make sure you're updated. Then go to device manager. So here you might see a software that's called biometric devices, and inside of it you'll see a software that's called Windows Hello Face. If you don't see it here, you'll have to click view and then click show hidden devices, and once you click show hidden devices, you will be able to see it. So it will be called biometric devices, and then inside, like, you will see something like Windows Hello Face. So all you have to do is just right click, try to disable and enable it, then try to update its driver by clicking like this, like following the similar procedure as I'm doing with this driver here. And then once you update the driver, this should basically fix the issue.